Now we'll discuss the meanings of the word starting from letter F. First is flagrant, Flagrant. The meaning of flagrant is glaring, Glaring, or openly wicked. The usage: it is not easy to pardon such flagrant violation of the decorum of the house. The simple meaning of flagrant is very obvious or unashamed. Adverb is flagrantly. Now next is fickle. Second one, fickle, Fickle. The meaning of fickle is changeable or faithless. Usage: fickle-minded persons cannot be relied upon. Next, third is filial, Filial. Filial. Meaning is of son or daughter. Usage: children must fulfill their filial duties towards their parents. Next is fray, Fray. The meaning of fray is brawl or contest, Brawl, brawl or contest. Usage: the miscreants involved in the fray were arrested by the police. Next is the fifth one, facile, Facile. Facile. Now the meaning of facile is easy or expert. Meaning, India could achieve facile victory in the match yesterday. India could achieve facile victory in the match yesterday. Next is the sixth one, fallible, Fallible. Meaning is liable to err or liable to make mistake. Usage: man is fallible. Seventh one is fervent, Fervent. The meaning of fervent is ardent or warm, Ardent, ardent or warm. Usage: my friend was accorded fervent welcome on his arrival. Next is fete, Fete. Fete means outdoor entertainment or carnival. Usage: a charity fete was held in our college yesterday. Next is fictitious, Fictitious. The meaning of fictitious is imaginary. Usage: don't believe his story because it is just fictitious. Next is foolhardy, Foolhardy. The meaning of foolhardy is rash or reckless. Usage: many believe that trying for impossible things is a foolhardy attempt. Next is fiat, Fiat, which means to command. Usage: the court issued a fiat to both the parties to maintain status quo. Next is the 12th one, finale, Finale, which means conclusion. The usage: the finale of the match was very interesting. Next is the 13th one, fitful, Fitful. The meaning of fitful is spasmodic, Spasmodic, and intermittent, Intermittent. The meaning of spasmodic is almost similar to intermittent. Spasmodic means occurring or done in brief, or you can say irregular bursts. Usage: you are not going to achieve anything by pursuing fitful study. Next is fraught, Fraught. The meaning of fraught is filled, Filled, or threatening. Usage: security problems on our borders is fraught with danger. Next is 15th one, fortitude, Fortitude. The meaning of fortitude is bravery or courage. Usage: one must face the problems of life with fortitude. Next is feasible, Feasible. The meaning of feasible is practicable. Usage: we must execute proposal that is feasible. Next is ferment, Ferment. The meaning of ferment is agitation or commotion, Commotion. Usage: during Quit India movement, the whole nation was in ferment. Next is franchise, Franchise, meaning of which is right by government to vote or trade. Usage: the Mughals granted franchise to East India Company to carry on trade in India. Next is 19th one, foible, Foible. The meaning of foible is weakness. Usage: man is subject to foibles and frailties in life. Next is flaunt, Flaunt. Meaning of flaunt is display ostentatiously. Display ostentatiously. Usage: the rich are in the habit of flaunting their material achievements. Next is flout, Flout. The meaning of flout is to reject or mock, Mock. That is make fun of. Usage: no good citizen will flout the rules of the road. Next is 22nd one, foment, Foment. The meaning of foment is stirrup, Stir, stirrup, or instigate, Instigate. Instigate. Usage: the decision of the government is likely to foment disagreement between the opposition parties. Next is furtive, Furtive. 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 The meaning of furtive is secret or stealthy, Stealthy. Usage: she entered the room with furtive steps to avoid the attention of the teacher. Next is frantic, Frantic. Meaning excited or wildly. Usage: frantic efforts are going on the eve of the visit of the Prime Minister. Frantic efforts are going on the eve of the visit of Prime Minister. Next is frigid, Frigid. This is the 25th word. It means intensely cold. Usage: one must not be frigid in one's attitude towards his near and dear ones. Next is flair, Flair. The meaning of flair is talent. Usage: our Prime Minister has flair for glib talk. Here in this phrase, glib talk, the glib means articulate but insincere or shallow. Next is fox pass, 27th one, Faux, fox pass, Pas, meaning an error in manner or behavior. Usage: her thoughtless remarks in the meeting were a fox pass and amused everyone. Next is 28th is flux, Flux, meaning flowing or changing. Usage: no foreign investors would like to invest in a country where the state of economy is in a flux. Next, 29th is fracas, Fracas. Meaning of fracas is noisy quarrel. Usage: the mob gathered in the streets when there was fracas between the two neighbors. Next is 30th one, freak, Freak. The meaning of freak is unusual or abnormal. Usage: it is just an example of his freak behavior because he normally doesn't behave in this manner. Next is 31st one, fawning, Fawning. Meaning of fawning is flattering, Flattering. Usage: one must be wary of fawning admirers because they always have an axe to grind. Its synonym is servile, Servile. Next is 32nd one, fecundity, Fecundity. The meaning of fecundity is fruitfulness. Usage: the fecundity of a poet's imagination makes a poem an exquisite work of art. The fecundity of a poet's imagination makes a poem an exquisite work of art. Next is foray, Foray. The meaning of foray is raid, Raid. Usage: the foray against the enemy outpost met with an unexpected success. Now we'll discuss the meanings of the word starting from letter F.